Call Zoe. What's wrong? What's wrong with it? What's not good?
The cheeseburger. They put pickles on them.
They put pickles on it?
Yeah.
Or onions? Was that pickles or onions? Where's the pickle?
Onions.
Onions? I don't see no pickle. Let me see. Stick your tongue out. Go ah. Oh. Do you need soda? No, you don't need soda?
I mean my new cheeseburger. That cheeseburger is yucky.
Uh-oh. What are you doing to it? Zoe, stop mutilating it. Is that better? It looks better.